Okay, here's a quick video of my vintage Traxxas Sledgehammer. I've had this since the early to mid 1990s. I did build it, and as you can see here, it's a little dusty. And here we are, we're hooking up the battery, as you can see. And basically, it's a plastic and Lexan body construction. We have an Onyx 1800 and also an Onyx 2000 battery powering it in this video. It's got electronic speed control. It's got a rather large can motor, but I forget what size it is. And it pretty much is a two-wheel drive speed monster truck. Works really well. I've had it for, geez, over 20 years, so pretty happy about it. So we're just going to show you some shots here of it functioning in the yard, and pretty basic stuff, but hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Okay, next up we have the steps here. The battery was dying as I did this. That's why it's not so powerful. But as you can see, it can handle steps as well.
Did I stop filming? Ow.
Okay, and next up we have a golden opportunity. The road is being resurfaced, so let's run a remote control car on it.
Thanks for watching.